Today we're exploring a project that's funded by Duke Energy. It's a competition between the University of Central Florida and USF for building autonomous mowers. Since USFSP is central in Duke's territory and they've contributed a lot to our campus, including our solar panels and solar battery we have on top of our parking garage, we formed a team here. It's a mix of people from all majors, from business to environmental science. And the goal here is to go along the rows underneath the solar panels and remove weeds so that they're not having to use chemicals to kill the weeds. So they're more of an environmentally friendly approach to this. Have something that will be powered on electricity, since we are surrounded by tons of electricity here, tons of DC electricity, and to do it in a sustainable fashion.
If we could add like a raking mechanism to kind of like smooth it out to ensure that grass isn't growing under matted grass.
So you don't know the conditions you're on to see the average length of the grass. We could have a machine that is a little taller, rakes it up, and then at that level cuts it.
So our goal is to build the best mower, and this is a project that we're, with hope, will be funding for several years to do this.